So my apprentice is starting to work on her tomahawk skills a little bit. We're getting there a bit. Aim is still a bit of an issue, but we're getting there pretty well. So she's been helping us cut up a bit of wood for the fire. There we go. Behind the sticks. Okay, so firstly, take handbrake off. So handbrake is here. So lift up, push button. There you go. Okay, now make sure it's out of gear. So take the gear knob down the bottom. Gear knob, make sure that's loose. Okay, now you should be able to turn the key and pull the throttle as you turn it.
Start?
Yep, so turn it to run and then to start. Yep, turn it next, click forwards. Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay, now let it idle down a bit. Now, see where the R is? You need to lift it up and pull it this way. Up and pull it that way. All the way across. Up and towards me. Up and pull it sideways. I don't want to get my feet run over. Up. Okay, now rev gently. Make sure he's not behind you.
Jesse, don't get behind me.
There you go, roll it back. There you go. Keep going. There you go. Alright, that's good. Alright. Now turn key off and put it in neutral. Yep, now.
Ted, choke off.
Put it out of gear. Yep, push the choke in if you want. Now take it out of gear. Don't push it, yeah, sideways. There you go. Well, we had a bit of a resupply delivery arrive, and my apprentice has come out to spend a little bit of time with me. So we're gonna.
And I got some chips from Jesse.
You got some chips from our cameraman. So we're gonna go and find a bit of firewood and come back to camp. That's bits of mud, I wouldn't catch that. Any other bits of wood laying around that we can see? I'm going to go through that bit. I'm going to go through the muddy wet bit. Okay. Man.